Welcome to another video. Today again going to start this live trading robot on our website. Look here guys, with $10 deposit we are going to start the bot. So you guys can see, let's move on the bot website. Look here, this is Traders Profits Club official bot. Week 75 we are going to choose a number of trade is 100. Let's pay. This is the API token, API ID, and also the key and the bet amount. The bet amount is the $10. We're going to start with $10. You want to get this, we search you on Telegram to get access and all information to start this bot, and also the domain link. Let's click on the start trading button. Trading has been started. Let's move on the Deriv official website. On live page where the trading is. Look here guys, started with $10 with touch notice strategy. Today the payout was the $10 is 8 point some plus profit. Look here guys, the bot is increasing profit. This is a live Deriv official website. As you guys now, this is a smart trading Deriv trade terminal. You're making profit using this bot. The bot is automatically analysis. The bot is doing automatically trading decision by on itself, and also all things, it's all automatically. You just need to get access, get all details, and hit the start button and go relax. The bot will make awesome profit for you. As you guys can see here, we are near to good profit. Look here guys, it's almost good profit from $10 we started. Touch notice strategy. Today we have started this touch notice strategy. This bot we can trade on other trading methods like the digit difference, digit match, hour under, rise fall, call put, touch notice, higher lower. We'll make further videos on all these strategies. Look here guys, it's almost in good profit. Now as you guys can see, I need to hit the $100 as our target for today is just from $10 to $100. We are going to hit the $100 very soon, as it's near to $84 in making good profit in background. The bot is choosing all things automatically analysis, automatically trade duration, each and everything is automatically. You just need to hit the button of start trading. That's all. As you guys can see here, we took the risk on $10 and started this bot, and the bot is live making profit. It's almost near to $100. It's gonna hit to $100. Okay guys, in case the bot lost, you guys can see here where he lost. And if the bot is making profit, look here guys, we hit the $100 profit by this bot live front of you guys. As you guys can see, after few number of trades, the bot make consistent profit one by one, plus by plus. It reached to $100 plus 36 cents. So this is how actually the system of this robot work. Let's move on the bot domain and click on stop the bot. Okay, the target was $100 which is reached. Let's click on the bot. Look here, this is the bot website. Let's click on trading stop. Here the trading has been stopped. Now I'm going to take a bit more risk. I'm going to change the bet amount to $100. Let's see how this thing work. Okay, we choose only one trade with $100. Here you guys can see the trading has been started. Let's move on the Deriv official website where that trading has been started on our account. Here you guys can see with $100 we're gonna make good profit. Here you see guys, the account is super amazing profit. We just started with $100, sorry, with $10. Thanks for watching guys. Trading has been stopped.